Did I read this title right? I thought you always want the market to go up. 3 reasons it's good for stocks and the market to go down. Well, we've had quite the week here on the stock market, and as you can see, my portfolio has not done too well. I've lost close to 4.5% or $22. And yeah, it's just especially starting Thursday, yeah, we really hit it hard, and then today was just another down day for the market. Here we go. And as you can see on the NASDAQ here, just a really rough day overall, and yeah, even for the 5 days, just really rough these past 2 days. But getting into the first reason of 3 reasons why it's good for the market and stocks to go down. You can buy stocks when they're undervalued. So as we can remember, back in about December, the market started to take a hit. And as we look here at the NASDAQ, it really took a hit here. December, it started going down, and by the end of December, or towards Christmas, it was really at its low, right here. And then from there, it really just shot up. And we can see a couple of different stocks here that you can really just take full advantage of and just buy when they're undervalued. And they have just tremendous, company just running them. So look here for the 1 year on the Facebook stock here. Down in that time, it was at about close to $120, $125. And from there today, it's at $189. So that's close to $65 that you just could have made easily just from investing when everybody was saying, oh, you don't want to buy stocks, the market's going down. You never want to buy when it's going down, only when it's going up. Well, that's just completely false. You just miss out on so much profit that you could have been made. Another example here is Microsoft. Again, down at that time, they were down to $94. So that's still $40, close to 40, a little over $40 you could have made during this time. And then the final is Amazon. You can see here for the 1 year, they were close at their peak over here. They were about $2,000, a little over $2,000. Down here, below $1,300. You could have made $600, and then today, where they're at really, but before this, multiple hundreds of dollars you could have made, $500. That's just insane. And people are always saying, yeah, you don't want to buy here, you're just going to lose all your money, which is very true. You can lose your money very easily in the stock market, but it depends where you put your money in. You have to be smart with it, research the stocks, and just do your background information and know the company before you invest. But there's certain companies that have a great running teams and great financials and all. They're not going to keep going down forever. They're going to bounce back, and the NASDAQ after this, it just bounced back tremendously and just extremely fast. Close to 6,000, and then after a couple months, we're back over 8,000. 2,000 point jump. That's just unheard of. And yeah, you just want to do it. So number 2, you can lower your cost basis. So this is something that you always kind of want to do. So whenever you're down in a position, like right now I'm down at home. My average cost right now is $688. You can see that's well below what it is at now. So recently, the other day, I purchased a couple more stocks, lowering it down again, and I'll be doing a video in the next week of buying a couple more shares and showing you how to purchase a stock on Robinhood. But yeah, you always just want to lower your average cost basis when you know it's a good company that'll eventually come up. But yeah, that just helps, and it'll just really help you increase your profits in the long run. And the third reason why you should it's good for stocks to go down, the market to go down, is you just get experience through the crashes, or not crashes, but just down times. I got to experience this one a little bit in December, and then this was a minor one in end of May, beginning of June, where you can even just see here the market just went down pretty fast, but then you almost immediately after it just rises again. So as you can see, the market just won't always go down forever. It'll eventually rise up, so you just got to take advantage of this, and through time and experience and knowing what to do when it goes down, you'll be able to grow and just notice that yeah, you can buy stocks when they're down and you can make enormous profits. It'll happen, but it all just takes time and effort to do the research and to figure it out. But that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a thumbs up, and go comment. Check out the link in my info for my Instagram, and I've been starting that and just trying to get that running. And yeah, so thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.